Back to my channel. Believe it or not, we're getting another windstorm, snowstorm that is, another 40 centimeters of snow. I'm gonna see if I can capture some of it. It's gonna be a nasty 100 kilometer an hour winds again, and it's been only a week since the last one, so gonna be fun.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now, the story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter.
Good morning. So the storm has been raging for around 16 hours. I'm trying to clear some snow off the camera that's recording, but yeah, I've never seen snow like this. Holy moly. It's high. The wind blows around like crazy. Yeah, look, that's the front porch. There's like waves on the road. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but from all the snow being blown, that's what you see, and you can see it's still blowing. It's supposed to go another few hours, another 6, before it stops, but we'll see. Well, this is not too bad, but you see drifts, they're probably around 4 feet high here. Queen came around the house, and our lights are all hidden away. As you can see, here the snow blows in circles behind the house. As grounds, our patio is still showing, but it goes up halfway up the window. Yeah, the drifts are probably really bad. And the car, let me try to zoom in. You can see it's starting to be buried on the side. Even though there's around 40 centimeters of snowfall, the wind just blows it. The inside of the patio door. It's not that bad back here, but you see how the snow blows just everything into corners. And the roofs are clear because that wind just clears it right off the back door. There is no shoveling that needs to be done, it's just getting blown around. Yeah, you see the drifts between the neighbors. Whenever you can capture the snow, it will stick and then create these big drifts. But here on the ground, not much. It just starts happening a little bit there. And again, the car. Yeah, a little bit of a side view, but a small drift up there. Like I said, the snow sort of gets blown around and pushed into corners and whatever, but on the street there, I think we got a drift about 2 feet high. A little bit different here where you can see the 5-foot fence actually being filled in. Just a white winter wonderland. A little bit of better view of the car, how it snowed in. It's probably about 1.5 feet in the back. So it will be interesting to dig that out tomorrow. So now I'm outside. There's quite a bit of snow everywhere, and in front of our house, about a winter what do you call that? In front of our house, a snow drift, there we go, of 4 feet, and now the plow is coming through. That's going to be fun. Yikes. Yeah, it's still blowing. And you can see the snow being high. It's -12 right now. And snow drifts everywhere. One side of the street is done, but now you can see how high the snow is on this side. Yeah, I don't think it's an easy way to get into the door. I guess that's why people invest in snow blowers here on PEI, because you do need them. That's our neighbor, and from this house here, and he's actually doing his other neighbor's driveway. He did ours last year too. What a great guy. Cars getting snowed in or blown in more and more. It's now quite high in the back. Whoa. Here comes the snowplow. Quite a bit of snow. Wow, look at that. Wow. Heavy equipment.